Pindutin natin yung Chrome. Click natin yung register. Pilapan natin yan, guys. Kailangan natin yan mapilapan. Yung about sa password, kailangan hindi ka pareha sa may Gmail nyo. Gawa lang kayo sa dulo kahit isang number o kahit anong gusto nyo. Tapos ay marobot. Pindutin yun. Pindutin yung email. Ako kasi nakakonect ako sa Gmail. Ngayon nakapasok na kayo sa loob ng QC services. Marami tayong pagpipilian dyan, guys. Marami kayong ma-avail dyan na gusto nyo. QC box, QC ID, Bureau One Stop Shop, Pay Business, Civil Registry Online, Market One Stop, Sony Mouse, Medical Record, Citizen, Declare Easy, QC Housing, QC Social Worker Assistance, Believer with One Stop Shop, Health Certificate, Occupational Work Permit, QBR Online Payment, RPD Payment Amelia, SSDD Social Worker Development Department, QC Scholarship Program, Pangkabayan QC, Alangan QC, QC Public Library, People's Corner, Startup QC Program, QCID Application, Appointments, QCID QC Career Portal, Banyan QC, Kabagi Online. Ang galing talaga ng ating Mayora. Thank you for watching.